Before we start the lesson, I suggest you to try this practical by downloading the same sample video using the resource link provided in the video description. Today I will teach you how to add a video inside text and create a beautiful intro like the one you watched. Especially I only use free features of CapCut PC for this project. First, we will create the text. Go to the text tab and click on default text. Select the text and change the font to Fervent. Type any text you want. I will type horror. Now increase the text size by dragging it. I set the duration of the text to 19 seconds, which is the same as our resource video. I want to add a starting animation to this text. Select the text and go to the animation tab. I will use open as the starting animation. Set the animation duration to 8 seconds. Now export it as a 4K video. Our first step is done. Delete the text and import the exported file. Next, import the video that you want to put inside the text. Drag the main video into the timeline. I will do some basic color grading for the video. Select the video and go to the Adjustment tab. Make these simple color changes under the Basic tab. I will make a small adjustment in the Curves tab also. Go to the Animation tab and apply Fade In as the starting animation. Now drag the text video we created into the B-roll track. Select the B-roll track and go to the Video tab. Under the Video tab, select the Basic tab and click on the Blend option. Select the Multiply Blending option from the drop-down list. Reduce the opacity to 72%. Now let's play the video. We are almost done. Now we are going to apply some video effects based on the background music and edit the ending of the video. First, import the background audio track and drag into the timeline. You can find the link to this audio clip in the video description. Go to the Effect tab and search for flashlight. Set this effect at the beginning of the video. Reduce the speed of the effect by selecting it. Search for Shake 3 video effect and change the parameters. Adjust these video effects to match the background music. Next, apply the flicker video effect. As the last step, I am going to edit the end of the video. Select the A-roll video and apply fade out animation as the exit animation. Set the duration to 2 seconds. Now I will reduce the opacity of the B-roll video using keyframes. I will select this position of the B-roll video and add the first keyframe. Then add another keyframe at this position and reduce the opacity to 0%. Now we are done. I will play the video from the beginning. This is the end of today's lesson. Thank you very much for watching my tutorials. If you learned something here, please consider subscribing to my channel, liking the videos and sharing them with your friends. Don't forget to watch my Complete CapCut PC playlist and learn even more about CapCut.